OpenAI discusses the insights gained from their Global Conversations initiative, which aimed to gather public input on AI-related topics. This short announcement shows that RunwayML is still dedicated to building creative tools. Much of it will go to fund internal R&D. If you're looking for interesting trends in AI today, the idea of decoding tokens in new ways is an avenue of active research. Currently, each model gives the same amount of compute to each token, and the sampling method is somewhat simple. If we can improve sampling and guidance, we may be able to dramatically improve performance without retraining. This paper suggests that we can double our effective model size just by using classifier-free guidance, which was first explored in the context of text-to-image diffusion models. This research presents a new system called Detect Any Deepfakes, DADF, for improved detection and precise location identification of manipulated facial images, deepfakes. Using the Segment Anything model, SAM, and incorporating a multi-scale adapter and reconstruction guided attention, RGA, DADF improves deepfake detection performance. Researchers have proposed a new method using a diffusion model, specifically a latent diffusion model, LDM, named Stable Diffusion, for reconstructing high-resolution, high-fidelity images from human brain activity captured via fMRI. The method, which reduces computational cost while maintaining generative performance, does not require extra training or fine-tuning of complex deep learning models. The study also gives a neuroscientific interpretation of different LDM components, presenting a promising new approach to understand how our brain represents visual experiences. This project introduces a method to generate 3D shapes from 2D images or texts, reducing inconsistencies that result from the dimensional differences. The method uses a two-model framework, the Shape-Image-Text-Aligned Variational Auto-Encoder, SITA-VAE, and Aligned Shape Latent Diffusion Model, ASLDM, to map the 3D shapes into a space that aligns with images and texts. The research introduces a new method that improves the understanding of 3D movement in relation to the environment, offering more realistic poses in contrast to existing techniques that produce implausible results. This paper presents a new method for generating consistent, high-quality videos from text. It involves creating keyframes using an adapted image model, and then spreading these styles across the video with special matching and blending techniques, resulting in videos that look great and flow smoothly. Tokenization and decoding are two weak points of current language models. Tokenization specifically is a challenge because it hinders our ability to move to truly multimodal solutions. The recent work from Meta around working on 1 million bytes shows a way forward because it eliminates the need for tokenization and allows a single model to operate on any sort of input data. Google will be scraping and indexing all publicly available online content, including forum posts and social media, to train its AI models. This move raises concerns about privacy and the potential for Google to have access to vast amounts of personal information. A Hacker News discussion that dives into whether or not people in tech are overblowing the power of AI. An exploration into how AI will affect work, specifically whether it will automate away the need for humans. This article details a breakthrough in artificial intelligence automation for accounting minutiae due to a ChatGPT plugin called Code Interpreter and how it could potentially revolutionize the way finance knowledge work is completed. As AI continues to grow in importance, tech workers are scrambling to learn new skills in order to stay relevant in the job market. Many are turning to boot camps, online courses, and self-education in order to gain the AI skills that employers are increasingly seeking. Wondercraft is a podcast builder that leverages AI voices to let anyone go from idea to published podcast in minutes. For example, you can effortlessly repurpose existing content, newsletters, blogs, interviews, or recordings, to create engaging podcasts.